Hi everyone, I'm Yuan. I'm working at Tokyo University. When we talk about brain-machine interface, it reminds me of the movie The Matrix. When this movie was first released, I was a primary school student. I was so impressed that they could just plug electrical wire into the human brain. Just as how we load data into USB today, they could load the new skills into the human brain. When he woke up, he was surprised. Now I know Kung Fu. At that time, I wish my schoolwork can be done in such a way. 20 years passed, can this fantasy become true in reality? The answer is yes. We can implant electrode into the human brain to do deep brain stimulation in order to treat many brain disorders, such as Parkinson or depression, or we can implant silicon-based probes into the paralyzed patients to help them restore body function. However, there are huge problems associated with current probes. They are very rigid compared to our soft brain, so their long-term implantation triggers tremendous tissue response. Also, all these probes are limited to the electrical interface, but our brain has much more complicated signaling mechanisms. Other than the electrical signals, it also has chemical signals and so on. So these are the walls that I am going to break. How I am going to do this is by developing flexible and multifunctional fibers. It is very similar as one type of candy, Japanese candy, called gintaro ame. For this candy, first they integrate all these features into a macroscopic copy, then they heat and pull it into thin sections with the same cute, tiny designs. Similarly, for our fibers, we can integrate all the electrical, optical, and chemical modalities into a large freeform. Then we can heat and pull it into thin sections of fibers that has the same exact cross-section and functionalities as predefined in the preform, but the sizes are shrunk down by over 100 times. Here's the example showing preform to fiber transition. We can implant this fiber into a mouse to establish the chronic brain interface. Here, we can deliver optical signals and simultaneously record electrical activities. Maybe we can teach him Kung Fu while he's sleeping. Thank you.